Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So as kids vacation are going to start, so I am planning to do some more videos, some in different medium. So this is my videos are specifically more to kids and some portraits are for others, but mostly kids who are intermediate level or beginner level in watercolor. So today I am going to do watercolor and I am just to do some rooster. So now I am using Maestria paper and this is A4 size. Usually I do in Chitapat paper, so I am very used to of that paper, and this paper is quite new for me, but just for trial I want to use because I have a lot of this paper also. So this right now, as you know, in watercolor we need to go from light to dark, so I am taking orange color, and watercolor has its own beauty and transparency and all. So I am taking light subjects for my students who can do a lot of work in this vacation, who are actually interested in watercolor or different mediums. I have a lot of teenage girls and boys who are very much interested in art and who are giving wonderful output in each medium. They are doing charcoal, watercolor, pencil, everything. I will mention some more things. So right now I am taking orange and little bit I mixed burnt sienna in this one, and I am trying to give first tone. I will see how output will come because this paper is also new for me too. So for watercolor I will prefer you should use watercolor paper only, but each paper is different, so it will give different output. It is drying very fast actually as compared to Chitapat paper or other papers, so it's okay. We'll see how output will come. So right now this is orange and brown before that I used, and right now this is a cerulean blue. One tone I am giving. To see more of watercolors, my students' works and my works, you can please visit my page, that is Home Craft Creations, and you can visit my website, that is homeartchopal.in. There you can see a lot of my work to sale and you will get a lot of variation. I am going to upload more paintings in my website, so please visit my website. So right now I am taking blue and little bit touch of Persian blue and Payne's grey is there lightly. I want this part darker, so this is mix of Persian blue and Payne's grey. Little bit more cerulean blue also I am using. Some feathers I want to show blue and some are dark. Color you can change also according to your choice. It's not a big deal. You don't need to copy everything. And this reference picture I took from Pinterest. I am going to do some changes in this one, and I will add some grass part and sky part like that. And as you see, you can see this paper is drying very fast. So which type of mixing I want, it is not giving that type of mixing, so I am trying to spray here in this bit in between. So in watercolor, if paper will dry fast, then output like it depends on which type of output you want. So here I want a lot of waterish and mixing effect. That is not coming in this one because paper is drying color is drying very fast. So I am trying to spray and I want to maintain to wet my paper. For grass I am taking sap green, and little bit to dark part I am mixing sap green and Persian blue little bit. And this is directly Payne's grey I am taking, and some strokes I am giving with Payne's grey. This is brown burnt sienna, and on top of orange I am giving second layer with orange color, burnt sienna. Here I am trying to give light detail. I am not going to give one feather or one strokes. Just impressive style I am trying to give, and this paper is not giving so good effect as I wanted. So it's okay. For trial I was using this, because in feathers as I want to mix, and that effect is not coming here. It's very dry. It's okay. This is directly Payne's grey. As you can see, I have earlier also I applied, but it dries and became like greyish type of color. So I want little bit darker effect in this. And in grass also you can see it's dry completely. Now I am trying to give background color, and for that I will take cerulean blue, and right now I am applying plain water. And in comment box you can write if you want to learn specifically anything, if you want to learn any medium. Otherwise in my channel lot of mediums for 4+ students to adults they are available. You can subscribe my channel and you can see a lot of work there. Many of my students are doing. I am just trying to sprinkle some dots of red and orange, green, and it is about to done be over. It is looking good, but yes, I wanted mixing effect, so still I will prefer that Chitapat paper which I am using, or other maybe Besto will give that effect. It's okay now. These are just the final touches I am trying to give, and then it will be over. And thanks for watching my channel videos. Thanks for your all support. Please share my videos with your friends or kids or like whoever is interested in art. Many videos are available in charcoal, pastels, and many mediums of pencil, pen, watercolor, acrylic. All more than 60 videos are available. Please share. It is about to over. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks a lot.